Welcome to Commerce Academic Zone. In the video, 12th standard economics important 2 more questions. This is reduced syllabus. Chapter 1 define macroeconomics. What do you mean by capitalism? Circular flow of income define. Chapter 2 write the formula for calculating GNP. Define GDP deflator. Chapter 3 what is the main feature of rural unemployment? Give short note on frictional unemployment. Give reason for labor retrenchment at present situation. List out the assumption of Say's law. What is effective demand? What are the components of aggregate supply? Chapter 4 what is consumption function? What do you mean by propensity to consume? Define average propensity to consume, APC. Define marginal propensity to consume. What do you mean by propensity to save? Define average propensity to save, APS. Define multiplier. Chapter 5 define inflation. Chapter 6 define commercial bank. Define central bank. Mention the function of Agriculture Capital Department. Chapter 7 what is international economics? Define international trade. State any two merit of trade. Define terms of trade. What do you mean by balance of payment? What is meant by exchange rate? Chapter 8 write the meaning of special drawing rights. Define common market. What is free trade area? Specify any two affiliate of World Bank Group. Chapter 9 define public finance. What is public revenue? Differentiate tax and fee. Give two examples for direct tax. What are the components of GST? What do you mean by public debt? Chapter 10 what do you mean by ecosystem? Mention the countries where per capita carbon dioxide emission is the highest in the world. What are the remedial measures to control noise pollution? Define global warming. Chapter 11 define economic development. Define economic planning. Write a short note on NITI Aayog. Chapter 12 what is statistics? What are the kind of statistics? Define correlation. Next video important 3 mark and 5 mark questions பார்க்கலாம். Thank you.